In this video, I'm going to show you how to check watch history on Instagram. Now, for us to get this done, it's very important for us to note that there's not actually a way for you to be able to check all of your watch history here in Instagram. Instead, we have a different way in order for us to say, for example, access videos or things that we have watched later. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get that done. First things first, the thing that you're going to do is head over to your reels and say, for example, you have two options. The first one is just liking it just like so. So another thing is this one. I'm going to go ahead and like it. And another way for you to get this done is by saving it. So you to go ahead and tap this one, and then you're going to click the save button right there. Now I'm going to show you how to find them. First things first, go ahead and access your video right here, and then you have there saved. Go ahead and click that, and you have there the videos that you have saved. You can go ahead and click them and then be able to watch them again just like so. Now another thing that we can do is to find the liked videos is by tapping your activity right here, and you have the likes. So there you go. Here are all of the videos that I have likes, and as you can see, I can go ahead and open them anytime I want. Right? And yeah, those are the only ways in order for us to get this done, everybody. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.